Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. By the way, my name is Marian, and today we'll be featuring and talking to one of our amazing virtual assistants here. So let's learn more about her story, her journey, and her experience here in the company. So now, let's all welcome Miss Russell Joyce Castillo. Hi again, Miss Russell. Good morning. Hello,
Hello
hello.
again.
How's your day so far before we start with our testimonial interview?
My day so far was good.
Okay. Super fresh. You're so fresh, miss. It's so fresh. Like, ako kakagising pa lang, but I don't know. Ano nangyari sa Okay. So, to start, miss, here's a set of different questions. And to start, let's know regarding your personal growth and confidence here at the company. Okay. So, before this job, what was one thing you struggled with personally and professionally?
Before this job, I think what my personal struggle was, I think communication with other people, especially on a work setup na, work setup na sa company. Communication kasi there's a fear for communicating, especially on the higher ups, mga ganun.
Ganun naman siguro, di ba? Lalo na kapag baguhan ka pa with the company.
Yes.
Takot or nahihiya. Hindi sa takot, pero nahihiya tayo makipag-communicate. Yun talaga yung parang need na i-develop natin when we are like a newbie or a first timer, right? Yung talagang communication or yung confidence talaga. I agree with you, miss. Diyan din ako galing. Or yan din siguro yung isasagot ko kapag someone will ask me what really struggled me personally and professionally during time. Thank you so much for that one, Miss Russell. Okay, so next one I have here. What a moment or what moment that made you realize that you are growing here at RPJ?
What made me realize na I'm growing is the continuous development of my skills, of course. Yun nga kanina, the communication, I've been able to confidently communicate with other people. Hindi lang kasi, syempre, on a work from home environment, hindi mo nakikita yung ka-communicate mo. Pero you've gained confident with my communication. I've gained confident with my communication. And of course, I've gained more skills. That's part of my growth here in the company. And of course, also, I realized that I'm growing is the company trusts me to handle more tasks.
Wow. Yun naman talaga, di ba? We can say now, okay, I'm really growing here because they believe in me. Something like that,
Yeah.
right? Okay. So, the next question I have, miss, is in regards with the real work experience here at RPJ. So, when I would ask you, was there a task you thought you couldn't do at first, but now it feels like it's normal?
Yes, of course.
What are those tasks, miss?
I like scraping some leads. Before I was so like scraping leads every day. Yun kasi yung naging task ko from the very beginning up until now, ginagawa ko pa din. And right now, like hindi naman super dali. Parang mas naging confident na ako in terms of scraping kasi mas sa ulo ko na or memorize ko na yung mga SOPs, mga ganon.
Okay. Like, there's no need of a guide anymore. Parang
Yes.
ganon. Diretso-diretso trabaho. Yeah. Eventually, at first naman talaga, di ba? Mahirap. Sobrang hirap at first. But eventually, parang nasasanay na lang kahit nakapikit, alam na ng kamay mo saan ka pupunta at ang gagawin mo next. Di ba?
I remember pa nga nung nag-i-start ako, parang may iyak na lang ako sa target ko na number of scrapes. But right now, okay naman na. Naging mas madali na para sa akin.
Same with you, miss. Or lahat naman siguro tayo, dyan talaga manggagali pa. Hindi naman na at first alam na natin at sa ulo na natin na. Even though we have the experience already for that certain task, eventually we have to undergo familiarization din talaga with the company. So, yun, totally. And the next question I have here, miss. What's one or what motivates you to show up every day or give your best every day? And what's one lesson that this company taught that you'll carry for life?
What motivates me to work every day is the trust they give on me on the task. Kasi especially from work from home, from our perspective, they cannot see what we are doing if we are doing everything or our job properly. It's the trust na pinagkakatiwalaan kanila dun sa trabahong binigay ko. So might as well work or show up every day.
Wow, ang ganda nun. You really value what they believe in you, right? Or what parang ang hirap kasi parang i-break yung trust. Kasi first or kaisa lang anong tawag? This only happened once to us. So, di ba? Natin pwede na i-break lang dahil gusto natin parang ganon. So, might as well work hard on that one. So, wow. Thank you so much for that one, miss. It's really like a great answer for other people or also for me to really value what the bosses gave to us. Parang ganon. Or every day we have to be grateful. Kasi hindi naman lahat merong ganitong work or nag-practice kind of. So, might as well do our best and yun talaga gawin ng lahat kasi pinagkakatiwalaan nila tayo. Ganon. Wow. Thank you so much for that one, miss. Okay. Next question I have here, miss, is in regards with the company culture and support with you. Since you've been here for like a year na, miss, no?
Yes.
Sobrang tagal na ni Miss Russell here at RPJ. So what makes this company stand out from other workplaces?
To be honest, kasi this is my first actual work from home job. So I might say na this stands out because I can work freely Like, not freely naman. Parang I can manage my time. Like,
No micromanaging, something like that.
yes.
Question I have here, have you ever felt genuinely appreciated here? Can you share that moment where you felt na you really appreciated here at RPJ?
Yes, of course. Especially, not only from my most especially boss. Like, every day they keep saying na they appreciate us, they appreciate our work. Even though hindi mo naman, or parang like, small like small things na gawa ng the company, they will automatically say that they really appreciate you or you're doing a great job to your task.
Pero I agree. Kahit parang mapapasabi na lang tayo na, bakit sila ganito? Ginawa ko lang naman yung trabaho ko. Pero sobrang sila mag-appreciate. Diba?
Mhm.
Nakakataba ng puso. And dahil doon, parang tayo rin, ginagawa din natin yung best na. Kasi we know that they value us. They value our work. Hindi parang napupunta lang sa wala. Parang ganun. So thank you so much for that one, Miss. So next question na I have here, Miss, is in regards with, your success and the future goals. So how do you see yourself growing in this company long term?
I see myself growing long term is the continuous work from the company, of course, and staying longer in this company.
Okay, wow. Thank you so much for that one, Miss. So, plano mo talaga magstay here long term.
Mhm.
You're in 1 year, like 5 years, 10 years from now, hopefully
Yeah.
we're still in the company.
If still given the chance, of course.
Diba? Hanggat nandito pa yung RPJ, kakayanin talaga natin. Why not, right? Parang wala naman tayong reason to leave RPJ. Parang ganun, diba?
Oo nga.
They really value us, or parang kung ano talaga yung hinahanap mo sa work, nandito na sa RPJ. Like, no micromanaging, flexible time, flexible schedule, amazing workplace, amazing team, family here at RPJ. Yun talaga. Kung ano man yung nakita ko talaga or nahanap ko talaga here at RPJ, right?
Mhm.
We are really seeing ourselves to stay here for long term.
I agree.
Eventually. Thank you so much for that one, Miss. Next question I have here, Miss, is in regards with the hiring process and, applicants, how would you encourage someone? So looking back now, from 1 year ago, are you glad you took the risk and applied here at RPJ?
Yes, of course.
And why, Miss? How can you say that? Why?
At first, of course, I was also hesitant because I only saw the job post online. So, of course, I was being cautious na baka scam, mga ganon. But eventually, to apply and someone messaged me for the application or hiring process. And then, nagtuloy-tuloy lang ako na mag-show up sa interviews and other like trainings. And then, eventually, I get the job. And here I am.
Here you are. You're already 1 year here at RPJ. Wow,
Yeah.
ang galing naman nun. Like, really, you have to trust as long as wala silang parang hininging pera. Gano'n, times it's our misconceptions din kasi na
Mhm.
pinapagunahan natin yung task or yung ipinapagawa. Especially here at RPJ, that the payout is like bi-weekly. Minsan napapatanong, oh my God, is this legit? Or gano'n pa, baka nagsasabi support. As long as wala silang parang hininging pera sa'yo, guys, or you know that it's worth trying, just try lang talaga. Just go on with that task, and eventually, malalaman mo rin, okay, legit pala talaga to. Dahil ako, dyan din ako galing, guys. And the first 15 days of my entire shift, araw-araw napapatanong talaga ako na, oh no, baka scam to, hindi to legit, gano'n, baka nagsasayang na ako ng effort. But then, when the salary came, and then I'm talking to real people na, something like that, that's when I say na, okay, legit pala talaga tong trabaho na to. Ganun talaga. So at first, there's hesitation talaga. Parang ganun. But then, mga misconceptions talaga natin, minsan pinapangunahan talaga natin eh. Kasi alam naman natin na marami talagang scams online. But,
Yeah.
yan lang talaga yung advice ko. As long as wala silang hiningi sa'yo, just go on with the task. Kung alam mong kaya mo yan, or hindi siya nakaka-burn out sa'yo, just go on with that task.
Mm-mm. And one thing na as long as the offer is kind of good, not too good to may mga ganun kasi.
Yeah, minsan talaga merong mga too good to be true. Like
Yes.
yung mga copy-pasting, mga ganon. Ewan ko na lang talaga. Diba? Been there. So yeah, if kaya mo talagang gawin yung task, like what Miss Russell mentioned na parang hindi siya too good to be true, just go on with that one. Okay? Eventually, it will really paid off talaga. So, huwag natin pangunahan din sometimes. Yun. Okay, thank you so much for that one, Miss. Okay, next one I have here. What advice would you give applicants to stand out during hiring process? And also, what's one thing applicants should stop overthinking?
Okay. So, what's one thing I should advise is just show up and do their best for the application process. Hindi naman kailangan na magaling ka agad, marunong ka agad sa mga tasks. We have a lot of trainings in the company. We have a lot of tutorials. Even our boss do trainings. Yun, kaya just show up and do your best. And for the next question, don't be, the next question was,
What's one thing applicants should stop overthinking in the
so-
hiring process?
yun, what's one thing you stop overthinking is it's not a scam, guys. The job is not a scam. We are real people working and we do get fair. So stop overthinking that this is another scam job.
True. yeah, kaya nga yun yung sabi ko kanina. Kaya, by the way, thank you so much for that one. It's really good, no? To, yun nga yung sabi mo, to just show up and do your best. Yun lang naman talaga yung puhunan natin. Just show up. Kahit ilang rejections pa yan, show up lang talaga kahit sa anong mga interviews, diba? Eventually, meron at meron talaga yan. Diba? As long as you do your best. Eventually, you will learn in your first interview. Yung mga na-learn mo with the first interview, ma-apply mo na or ma-remove mo na yung mga mistakes mo with the second interview. Eventually, you will learning is a lifelong process. Kahit parang pa yung rejections. Eventually, in the next interview, you will be doing great, you will be doing good as long as you show up and do your best. And yeah, yan yung sabi namin, stop overthinking. Kasi minsan, nasa atin yung problema eh. Pinapangunahan kasi natin yung mga or yung mga job na binibigay. So, yun yung mga reason na hirap tayong makakuha ng trabaho sometimes. Kasi pinapangunahan. Baka scam to, hindi naman scam. Parang ganun. Grabe naman yung trabaho. Eventually, masasanay ka rin. At first lang, sobrang mahirap. Mga ganun. So, minsan talaga, the problem is, pinapangunahan natin. Ino-overthink natin masyado yung trabaho. Hindi pa nga tayo nakapasok. Parang ganun. So, just your, parang just show up and do your best. Yan yung, follow natin yung advice ni Ms. Russell. It's really important talaga, guys. So, just show up and do your best. Yan talaga yung number one na puhunan. When applying, not just in the VA industry or any industry. Just show up and do your best. Yun na talaga. Yourself. Yan lang talaga. Okay, thank you so much for that one. Next question I have here, Miss, or I say, the last question or last two question I have here is that, can you finish the sentence? Okay? So, this company helped me realize that
This company helped me realize the capable of doing things that I didn't realize at first.
with me, I'm not into recruitment. I don't have any experience interviewing, parang ganun. But they see me, like Miss Anna, Sir Philip, like they say, oh, you're capable with this. I'm like, huh? How can you say that? I can't see that in myself either. But then they say, oh, you're doing good with this one. We know you can do it. Like, oh, really? They see our potential talaga. Now, we don't see it within ourselves. So that's one. We are really, really good. Hindi lang talaga one niche or parang one niche yung ano nun, ma-develop natin in this company talaga. Diba? So, I thought ako lang yung parang meron ganun. Ikaw din pala, Miss. Diba? So, yeah, I didn't start with recruitment here in RPJ. I started with a normal VA. Ganun. So,
Same.
they just see my potential and my capabilities at doon I realize na, okay, capable ako dito. Pwede pala. Parang ganun. And it's really helpful for us. So much for that one, Miss. And my last question to you, Miss. What's your message or why do you think, ito na lang, why do you think more people should apply here at RPJ or Remote Philippines Job?
I think more people should apply or try to apply in this company because aside from it's a real job, it's a legit job, we have a lot of different tasks that you can explore and train your skills.
Yeah, that's definitely it, Miss. This definitely is. I totally agree with you. Sometimes kasi, interview pa lang mapapasabi sa scam to. But yeah, I totally agree with you. This is a legit job, legit and ganun. And you should apply here, guys. Yun na yung sabi namin kanina with Miss Russell na lahat ng hahanapin natin with the company dito sa RPJ. Like, no joke, guys. No joke talaga. Diba? No joke. So, hindi naman siguro tatagal si Miss Russell ng 1 year here at RPJ. Gusto yung workplace. Diba? Kasi if you are a VA, you have the chance to parang, okay, I will not work with this one. Kasi parang nakaka-burn out naman to. Parang ganun. Marami pa naman ako siguro mahanap or makikitang job. But Miss Russell stayed, guys, here for 1 year already.
1 year and 4 months, going 5 months.
Yeah, 1 year going 5 months. So, sobrang tagal na, guys. So, hindi para, mag-question pa tayo regarding that one. Ako, I'm just here for like almost 5 months already. Sobrang bago-baguhan pa lang. But yun talaga yung mapapasabi ako na they're really, what really stood out with RPJ are really the people and the bosses. Yun talaga. So, if you're really looking for something na company na who support you, who really value you, parang ganun, are really a good ways to start with that one. So, yun lang talaga about that. Okay, so yeah, I think that ends or that wraps up our today's conversation, Miss. It's really, even though we're gonna be like talking paulit-ulit, parang meron at meron pa rin talaga akong matututunan from you. So, thank you so much from that one, Miss. And I just want to say thank you so much for sharing your experience or your journey here. It really means a lot, and I know a lot of people will be able to relate to this, guys. Right? And yeah, for those people na walang experience working remote, like Miss Russell, guys, nakapasok siya here without any experience working remotely. So yun. And if you're watching this and you are curious about, remote work or becoming a VA, I hope that this gives you a real and honest glimpse of what it's like behind the scenes. Yun lang talaga. And yeah, if you feel, guys, that this is something you want to explore RPJ, don't hesitate to reach out or drop a comment at the comment section. So yun lang. And please, guys, don't forget to LSSC, like, share, subscribe, and comment to our videos. And who knows, diba? Ngayon, naluluwad lang kayo, and the next few months or few months, kayo na yung ma-interview ko for testimonial. Right? So, once again, Ms. Russell, thank you so much for your time, for having you here at our testimonial for today. Thank you so much once again,